Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. Today's video is an exciting collaboration with one of my good YouTube friends. Her name is Bex. She is from Life with Kids and Cats. And today we are bringing you a Cook With Me collaboration. This video has been in the works for probably like 2 months. We were going to do this back in February. It's only March 2nd today when I'm filming this, but we were going to do this in February, and then Bex got sick, so we had to push it out, and thankfully she's doing much better. So now we're bringing you our collaboration. So today, for what I'm cooking, I am cooking a 3-bean turkey chili in the crock pot. I am a working mom of a 1-year-old, a farm wife to be. We're not married yet. Farm wife to be. We're just a very busy family, and crock pot meals are like the way to go for us. So I thought I would bring you one of my favorites to cook. I love making chili, just anything really in the crock pot. Lasagna, pot roast. We did a pot roast yesterday in the crock pot, so make sure after watching my video you go ahead and go over to Bex's channel and watch her video. Subscribe and let her know that you came over from my channel. If you're coming over from Bex's channel, hi, welcome. So this is the recipe. This is from Skinny Taste, and I just have it printed here in my binder. So the ingredients: turkey breast. I'm skipping the onion because I don't like chopping onions. Diced tomatoes, tomato sauce, chilies, chickpeas, black beans, red beans, chili powder, and cumin, or cumin, however you want to say it. So first thing that we're doing is just browning some ground turkey. Yes, it is 6:58 in the morning when I'm filming this. But yeah, that's what we're doing right now. Okay, the turkey is all browned. As you guys saw, I did add a little bit of seasoned salt, just to give it a little more flavor. And now I'm going to get a liner in my crock pot and put in the ground meat and everything else on top. So I will show you guys that process. Okay, you guys, here are the canned goods. So I have 1 can of tomato sauce. It calls for 28 ounces of diced tomatoes, and then a can of green chilies. So I just do a can of regular diced tomatoes and then a can of diced tomatoes with green chilies, like Rotel. That's just how I do it. A can of black beans, a can of kidney beans, a can of chickpeas, and then some cumin and some chili powder. So that's all going to get added in and mixed up, and then we'll get the crock pot going. you guys, doesn't it look so good? It smells heavenly. So basically I just kind of mix everything together as I add in the beans and the like sauce and the seasonings and stuff, just to kind of give it more, get it mixed really well. So now I'm going to pop the lid on. And if you guys didn't know, I learned this from Mandy from Mandy and the Makings channel. You are not supposed to lock your crockpot lids when you're cooking. So I learned that. I didn't know that. I made that mistake a lot, apparently. So now I'm going to turn on my crockpot and I'm going to program it for 10 hours. And I'm going to cook it on low. And now that will be cooking all day. Nice meal to come home to tonight. We'll probably just pair it with some lettuce, a salad. We'll probably put cheese on it. We'll probably do our own cheese though, because I have to eat dairy-free cheese. So, but we'll put cheese on it. We'll probably do crackers. I should probably pick some crackers up for Robert tonight. Otherwise we have bread too. But that is going to cook all day. So I will see you guys back this evening when we come home and have supper. So it is 7:16 right now. And it's perfect because it's about 10 hours. So it'll be ready to go when we get home. When I get off work at 5:15 and go get Ava. And by the time we get home, it'll be ready to go. So